Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's stall. A wonderful day to you all. God bless you guys for really staying locked to this channel. In these days now we have many numerous ways for beautiful African American women to really wear their hair. And one thing with today's hairstyles is that it's a hairstyle that will really determine your general preferences. It's a haircut that will really give you that fashion boldness you want, and it will give you that facial structure and volume. So one thing with this hairstyle today is that is a haircut that is arguably one of the most popular ways to wear your natural hair. And today we have the best short haircut for beautiful African American women. Why one might even be thinking maybe short hair is as boring, as lacking flair, or maybe nothing could be further from the truth. Like there are numerous short haircuts for black women that will really look those amazing. I want you guys to just take a good look on those beautiful hair. This haircut is really trending, and short haircut is really the trend now, in this season we are in. And one thing with the styles is that they make you feel good. It's a haircut that will take many years off your age. It's a haircut that is versatile, and there are so many ways to really style this beautiful natural hair to always express your femininity. So you can see the style on your screen is something to go for if you really love your natural hair. And one thing with hair is that it's good for beautiful matured women, and the look is for women who really desire that voluminous hair and want something that is manageable. So with this in mind, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. Stay locked to Wendy styles. You have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to check my description box on the location of those barbers like the Coco, the barber, and there are some products too like the MIELLE, which I've always talked about. We have the coil course, we have the cowl tosser. You can get them within the $7 to $20, and there's something you can get in any shop, or you can also check to Amazon to get this beautiful product. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and please stay locked for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way. Bye for now.
I'll put you in